In 2025, everyone's talking about making money online. But which model actually works today? Dropshipping or print on demand? You've heard the promises. No inventory. Make money in your sleep. But behind the scenes, one of these models is quietly outperforming the other. So, if you had to pick one business model in 2025, which would you choose? Stick around, because by the end of this video, you'll know exactly what's best for you. Let's start with the OG of online side hustles, dropshipping. It's simple in theory. You list products on your store, a customer buys, and your supplier ships it directly to them. You never touch the product. You just profit from the price difference. But here's the real talk. You don't control quality. Slow shipping equals angry customers. You compete on razor-thin margins. In 2025, people expect Amazon speed delivery. So dropshipping's biggest challenge is trust. And without good branding or fast shipping, you're just another online store. Now, enter print on demand, the cooler, more artistic cousin of dropshipping. Instead of generic products, you sell customized ones. T-shirts, mugs, phone cases, posters, all designed by you or a hired artist. The catch? Still slow shipping, but improving. Design quality matters. Not every niche sells well. But here's the kicker. In 2025, consumers crave personality. They want products that reflect their vibe. And Pod gives you the power to connect emotionally with your audience. It's clear. If you just want fast cash and don't care about building a long-term brand, dropshipping might be your life. But if you're creative and want to build a business with lasting impact, print on demand could be the gold mine. Let's talk trends. In 2025, both models have evolved, and fast. Platforms like Midjourney and Canva AI let anyone create killer pod designs in minutes. Printful and Gelato now ship worldwide in 3 to 5 days in many regions. Hody is catching up to dropshipping's speed. Short-form content is the new king. Both models benefit, but Pod wins with visually unique products that go viral faster. People care about ethical travel. Hody brands can tell a powerful story. Dropshipping? Not so much. Let's break it down with 2 quick stories. Alex tried dropshipping, built a phone accessory store, got sales, but 50% returns due to slow delivery. Spent more on ads than he made in profit. Gave up in 3 months. Sarah launched a pod brand for cat owners. Created funny cat shirt designs using AI. Posted reels and TikToks daily. Got 10K followers in 2 months. Now makes 3K plus March month in passive. These are real patterns we're seeing. The market is leaning toward Pod in 2025. Here's what it comes down to. Who are you? If you love data, testing, and fast product turnover, dropshipping. If you love design, storytelling, and building a brand, print on demand. Want even more power? Combine both. Sell quad for brand build. Test new products with dropshipping. Win-win. In 2025, the winner isn't just the model, it's the marketer. Your creativity, consistency, and strategy are what make the difference. If this helped you, smash that like button. Subscribe for more smart online business tips. Comment below. Pod or dropshipping? Which side are you on? And if you want a full beginner guide on starting your first online store in 2025, click here now.